Makeup, baby. Your bitch could never. I ain't even got my eyebrows did and I look this fine. Damn.
Ain't no back with my niggas, all the same we might act up. Come across you cause you know.
Okay. So I know you guys have been asking me since like forever to do a video on how I do my baby hairs. So here it is. I'm gonna show you guys how I do my baby hairs. It's really so simple and it's gonna look so repetitive. So I'm just gonna explain first and then let you guys watch and see what I do, because that will be easier for you to follow. So right now what you see me doing is I'm sectioning out my hair. I'm sectioning out a little bit, and I don't really section out in a straight line. Like I try and get little tiny pieces from different places, and then just make sure that I've brushed those hairs forward. And then if like a section of my hair is too thick, like the baby hairs look like they're going to be too thick, I just lightly pluck them, not heavily. So I lightly pluck in front and behind, just to, you know, rectify the hairline and make sure it still looks on point. So then what you see me doing here is I'm just hot combing the hair out the way, just to make sure that the hair behind doesn't try, you know, get involved with the baby hairs. So we're going to be using the styling foam. So I'll cut the hairs very short, not too short, because what you'll see me do is go back in later and cut them shorter if I need to. So I just cut the hairs kind of short, and then what I do is I go in my foam and I just put my foam on top of the comb, so I don't put too much on. I put the foam on top of the comb and then slide it on the hair. And then literally, like, the hair should be so easy to just swoop because of the foam, and shouldn't be too much hair, because if it's too much hair it will be harder to like style it. So make sure that your baby hairs are not too thick, and then you should be able to do your little swoops and stuff like that. So as you can see, like here, the swoop, like the hair's too long to do a swoop there, so it's being difficult. So what I do is I just cut it where the swoop needs to stop. So about there. And here I was just basically showing you guys, because the wig is a 360 wig, so I was basically showing you guys how you can put it up. I'm not the best when it comes to 360s so I was just kind of trying to show you how it would look if you could actually do it properly. You could glue it down in the back, but I didn't glue it down in the back for this video, just because I think I was gonna go, where was I going? I think I was going to bed after this so I was just showing you guys that it can go in a bun. You might have to do a different braided base for the bun. This time I'm thinking of doing a side part, so I said, yeah, let me do a little side part, because this hair was like, even though it was brushed out and fluffy, it looks so good. So I don't usually put product in my hair, but I thought, let me try it this time. So I took the same styling foam, not anything different, and I just literally like raked it through with my fingers. I did end up putting a lot in because this hair is very, very thick. And this is how it turned out. Like, I think it's quite cute actually. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This was just a quick tutorial on how I lay my baby hairs, because everyone always keeps asking me, and my baby hairs change in every single front all I do. If you don't like baby hairs, then you don't like baby hairs in it, but that's what I like, so flick them up, baby. This hair is from AfsisterWigs, and I think it is 24 inches. The hair comes really long for 24 inches, but it's so pretty. Like, I think this would be perfect holiday hair. So if you go on holiday or whatever, this hair would be definitely, like, it would be really good for you. It is a 360, so as you saw, you can put it up and stuff. So if you do want to have it up in a bun, then you can have that versatility when you're on holiday. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.